Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Today we're going to do a pretty cool, fun project. And stick around to the end because I'm going to be showing you two of the brand new DIY products. Start off with this old cigar box. I think that we can turn it into a cute little treasure chest. Treasure chest. I was trying to figure out what colors I wanted to use for this project. Over there digging through my paint, and I came across this can of Cowgirl Coral that I did not close the lid on. This is super thick, so I thought it would be a perfect time to show you the texture that you can get with your paint. Don't throw it out because that clay is just wonderful and we're going to use it right now. You can see that just using a little bit of a kitchen green scrubby, we can get so much texture. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the heat gun. That way we can move on. All right, now it's time for the fun part. Let's dig through all the junk we have lying around and see what kind of cool pattern we can come up with. Me trying to find the right placement is the hardest part. I just keep putting stuff out, trying to decide, does that look good? Does it not? I don't know. Once you find one thing, just start there and then the rest hopefully will come. Really wanted to kind of build it up in one corner, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this mason jar lid. And this is that stuff that you put underneath rugs so that they don't slide around. It works really good for texture. I like it a lot. I decided to just use the hot glue gun for this entire project. I didn't know if that was the right thing to do, but it worked great. Don't you just love old keys? I don't know what it is about them, but I love them so much. I decided that I really wanted more darkness down in those grooves, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a light coat of primer. Don't tell my husband I just did that on the gravel, okay? Now it's time to start layering our colors. I'm going to start with water lily. I'm using a Klingon R14. It's perfect for pouncing and for small projects like this. Let's go ahead and add in some Bohemian Blue. You can really see that texture that we got with that old dried up paint. I just love it. It works so well for that, and it's nice to not have to mix in a medium in order to get that texture. So if we mix up some fire starter and some weathered wood, we should get a pretty cool, rusty kind of a brown color. To my surprise, when you mix those two together, you almost get an army green. So I'm going to go ahead and pounce some fire starter back over that to bring in a little bit more rust. It was just a little greener than I wanted it to be. Don't forget, if you're interested in any of these products, you can find them on my website. I'll put the link in the comments below and at the end of the video. We're going to do some dry brushing with sea glass. That's just going to kind of bring out the details and all those little trinkets and junk that we glued on there. Okay, here we go. These are our new products. This is a copper patina. It's just beautiful. It's really strong. It covers super well, and it's called Pennies from Heaven. Is that not adorable? Once again, it has no odor. I love that about DIY products. No smell to any of it. It's so nice. I wanted to deepen the whole project, but I didn't want to worry about trying to get my sealer down in all those grooves with a brush or a wax, so shellac was the perfect answer for that. This is Shipwrecked. It's another new product. It's fabulous. It's a great wax. It's like a, what is it? It almost looks like mermaid tail in wax form. We're gonna go ahead and use that to give this the final touches. Use that chip brush to really push it down into all those little spots. Then we're going to take a towel and we're going to wipe back the high places. So that way it'll just stay in those low places and it'll give us that effect that we're looking for. And here we are, guys, something to do while we're sitting around socially separating in this time. Hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, only you can make it happen. To find any of these products, go ahead and click the comments below. I'll have my website link there. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.